Oi, papi. Papi, no. We won't even talk. Oh my God, no. Con queso? Con queso? Good, thank you. Con queso. Camaro, ho. Broly is thirsty. Alright? And I'm feeling it that she's thirsty. So even things like Camaros, if they would be gunny, we gunning, no BS, dog. No bull. We gun it for them together. One world. But yeah, like I said, brown, I fit in everywhere. You put a brown boy anywhere, he fits in. Especially such a juicy boy like me. Juicy brown boy. Call me Juicy Brown Boy Saiyan. That's my name from now on. Juicy Brown Boy. Or Bakakun. Forgot about that. Told you, half Nippon, half Japanese. Again, I need to know how to say this stuff in Spanish. Now you're like saying, why do you favor Espanol over other languages? That's not nice. Again, you're brown, I understand, but why do you favor Espanol overall? Oh my God, that looks so beautiful. The sun is setting. Oh my God, man. Oh, it's reflecting. Oh my God, makes you feel a type of way. And all of a sudden it smells like ass, but it's not ass, it's fertilizer. Burrito de carne de asada con queso. Con queso. I think that's the douche. Somebody speed, for the love of God. Speed, somebody! Speed! I need a 5'5" with dimples, potential, wife credential. Know the kind of life I'm into. The trials I've been through. I won't lie, Diddy has a lot of misses. Basically everything is a miss that he's ever touched. Kind of. But I'm getting shot over this, man. I'm so gonna get shot. But Diddy did one thing right, which was I need a girl, part 2. Genuine. Isn't Nelly on there? I don't think Nelly's on there. But Genuine with Diddy on there, he did that whole right. This is what I need, girl, baby. Give it to me. A pretty woman next to me. Start a family, baby. We understand how to treat them. Oh my God, this is what I need, baby. A pretty woman next to me. What I need is simple, shorty. 5'5" with dimples, potential, wife credentials. Know the kind of life I'm into. The trials I've been through. I can't listen to what they're saying. I want to rap alongside Diddy. Girl, what the hell is on your mind? I could be dumb, but I'm not done. I'm in a uterus and a Porsche. Get in your mind. Hell yeah. That's how you do it. We both blaze on the separate streets. Porsche, respect, homie. Keep pumping it. Pretty woman that I need, baby. Tesla, if you want to F, come up on me, homie. Bro, he ain't shy, not today, homie. Dude, I want to curse so bad. Oh, you guys get the censored version of me. I swear, if you got the real version of me, panties would drop, and they'd be heavy too, glistening. Come on, dog, pull up. That's all you got? That's sad. That's sad. Shorty in the Tesla. She just got that thing and she want to clown. You want to break it in on me, Ferrari? Break it off on me, baby. Break it off on me. Ooh, my ears pop and boom. Sound everywhere. Alright, so we got supercars out today. But mostly we got souped up stuff. The supercars usually come out early in the morning. I want to crack a down in, wave to my neighbor, say what up, say what up. Now I'm all tatted up, got that bang in my trunk. All the people in my neighborhood show me love. Cause I got the speakers going hammer. Speakers going hammer, bama, bama, bama. Not like Alabama, but like bammer, bammer, bammer. Sneakers going platinum. It's a Mustang car. I want to see your pretty face, baby, so I can truly, someone who truly understand how to cheat a man. This is what I need, baby. That dog's barking at me, but I got Britney playing, and I'm smelling ass right now. Oh my God, it's dirty. Tesla, is that you? Shorty, is that you? Baby, baby, baby. Baby, baby, baby. Oh, we got a Rolls Royce popping off. You're too slow. You don't need a Tesla. You need a driving lesson. That was a huge Rolls Royce coupe SUV on me. It smells like ass. I'm serious. Oh God, I was supposed to turn there. I gotta get gas up in this ass before I give somebody a class on how to pass. The greatest I've never been has. I don't know, man. You don't want to throw ass so bad. Either she's sucking on a lollipop or a cigarette. I'm gonna give her the benefit of the doubt. Say a lollipop. Baby, I'm the candy shop. You can lick my lollipop. I'm playing. That's dirty. Don't be like me. I'm sorry. I sincerely am sorry for the words that I use out of my mouth onto you. Dude, where can I find a goddamn gas station? I don't even know how many miles she can go before her anabolic window closes to get her that protein shake. Did it again. I made you believe we're more than just friends. Oh baby, baby, baby. You thought, hey Sane, where did Sane go? It's Britney, bitch. That singing was so on point. You were like, where's Britney, bitch? Cause I can't curse. I gotta say Kendrick's bitch. Bitch. Don't be a Hellcat. Don't be a Hellcat. You are a Hellcat. Damn it. I don't think I can make Broly work out right now. Yeah, it's a Hellcat. I'm not that innocent. See, that song doesn't apply to me. I'm too innocent. I'm a good boy. I don't know what song is playing right now. Oh, Nissan Sentra. Can I be like you? You're so fast. I just want to be like you. You're too fast. You're faster than everybody. I want to be like you. Can I? May I, ma'am? I don't know if it's a chick or not. Dude, I'm finna run out of gas. Or a protein shake, anabolic window, something. I really want to go up there and just lane split up out of the cell. You an M? M4. Go get it. Lamborghini up there though. The uterus blacked out. It's an M4, but we can't clown. I'm sorry. I need a protein shake. Protein shake. French. She wants it. Old lady wants it. She wants that youth in her. You want to feel a little young? I can make that age go backwards for a minute. Oh, more than that. More than that. All right, more than that. God damn it. M4 didn't want it. I would have given it. What up, homie? Homeless guy is going crazy. Dude, I think I'm about to run out. Dude, it's a souped up one. Oh my God, it's beautiful uterus. Yeah, we gotta find a gas station. But see, if I didn't do what I did, then I wouldn't be able to see this beauty. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. Forged carbon fiber on the back, on the sides, on the top. Some people be rich, man. And Audi R8 speeding-ish. And 4 behind me, Porsche GT right there. Oh my God, and a biker right there. We got a homie up in there. Daughter likes it. But that thing is pretty. I like how we did it. M4 still behind me. Man, I want to clown with this hoe so bad. But he won't do it. My policia was there. I won't do it. M4 behind me. Would have never done it. Dude, I need gas, homie. Ooh, biker. What up, dog? FZ something? He doesn't know there's a cop. Cop's gonna hear that though. This is so sad. This is so sad. We got an M4 right there. Lamborghini Uter just passed us. Auto rate right there. Merc AMG up there too. Napratin Shach. I want to stay within the line. Careful, Broly. The anabolic window's about to be done. But we're gonna get you some yum yum. Some blueberry yum yum. I never thought it would feel so good. Everybody in my smoking good. Of course. Of course. Who's he pulling over? Alright. Who's he trying to pull over, and why is that person not pulling over? It's making me anxious, man. We got a Contra Que playing right now. I don't want to figure out how much fuel reserve she has. I should, but I don't know. Because it depends on how you ride. But yeah, we got to figure it out, because I don't want to. I know the other bikes how much I can go. And I can't believe it doesn't have what Nimbus has, where it tells you exactly how many miles you have left. It's so stupid. It is like 95 degrees right now. My thighs are just gone. Long wish we gone, man. Thighs are gone. Sir, I cannot stay here forever. All right, I have a family to get to. All right, me, myself, and I. 3 counts as a family. 2 is a couple. 3 is a family. And 3 also qualifies for something else, but I will not say. Oof, oof. Nice, full of pain. All right, boys and females. Yeah. Hellcat. Why are you flexing, man, if it's not a Hellcat? So we got 71 miles since the last time I filled this hoe up. That is not good at all. Alright, we raised her as well. Sport mode, engine level medium. She's feisty! Little girl is... 2 McLarens. Or a Ferrari McLaren? I can't tell the sun's in me. I'm gonna say 2 McLarens. Or a McLaren and a Porsche. I can't even see my eyes. Oh my... Porsche and a McLaren. And they're a little too happy, giddy being next to each other. Anyways, I am tired, alright? I am gonna head home, which is there and then there. So until next time, this is Riding Insane. Maybe it was a short one, maybe it was a long one, but I'm out. Peace. Mwah. Oh yeah, subscribe, links to them, because I love you and I love you. Bye.